Welcome to St. Peter and St. Paul Church, a captivating gem located in the charming village of Weobley, Herefordshire. This ancient church has stood as a pillar of faith and community for centuries, and today we delve into its rich history, remarkable architecture, and enduring significance. St. Peter and St. Paul Church traces its origins back to the 13th century, though some believe that a place of worship existed here even earlier. Over the years, the church has been lovingly preserved and restored, resulting in the magnificent structure we see today. Its very stones whisper stories of devotion, resilience, and continuity. As you approach the church, the towering spire immediately catches your eye. This iconic feature, a later addition from the 14th century, is visible for miles around, acting as a beacon for both worshippers and travellers. Crafted with exceptional skill, the spire's intricate design exemplifies the Gothic architectural style that flourished during the medieval period. Standing beneath it, one can almost feel the centuries of history that have passed, each leaving its mark on this sacred structure. The church's tower, separate from the spire, is home to a remarkable set of bells. These bells, some of which are centuries old, have rung out across the village for countless celebrations, services, and significant events. Their melodic chimes remain a cherished part of Weobley's cultural fabric. Bell ringing, a tradition that continues to this day, connects the present with the past, resonating with the voices of those who have come before us. Outside the churchyard is a serene space dotted with weathered gravestones and ancient yew trees. Many of these graves bear inscriptions that date back hundreds of years, each telling its own story of life, love, and loss. The yews, believed to be over 1,000 years old, add a sense of timelessness to the landscape, their gnarled trunks standing as a silent witness to its history. Walking among the gravestones, one can feel the profound connection between the generations who have lived, worshipped, and been laid to rest. Some of the gravestones bear unusual symbols and carvings, their meanings shrouded in mystery. These markings are thought to reflect the beliefs and customs of the time, providing a fascinating insight into the cultural fabric of the community. The tranquility of the churchyard, combined with its rich history, makes it a place of reflection and remembrance. St. Peter and St. Paul Church is more than a historic landmark. It remains an active place of worship and a cornerstone of the community. Regular services, concerts, and events ensure that the sacred space continues to thrive, bringing people together in faith and fellowship. The church's role extends beyond its spiritual function, serving as a gathering place for cultural and social activities that enrich village life. The church has also become a destination for visitors and historians alike, drawn by the architectural beauty and the historical significance. Guided tours often highlight the unique features of the church, including its rare medieval artifacts and the stories of the people who have shaped its history. Stepping inside the church, you are greeted by the atmosphere of reverence and tranquility. The interior is a stunning blend of medieval and Victorian influences, reflecting the church's evolution over the centuries. The nave, with its lofty arches and delicate ribbed vaulting, draws your gaze upward, inspiring awe and contemplation. As you walk along the aisles, take note of the stonework, which bears the marks of skilled craftsmen whose efforts have endured through time. One of the church's most striking features is its collection of stained glass windows. These masterpieces some dating back to the 14th century, depicting vivid biblical scenes and figures of saints, their vibrant colours dancing in the sunlight. These windows not only illuminate the sacred space but also offer a visual narrative of faith and devotion. Each window tells its own story, inviting worshippers and visitors alike to reflect on the spiritual journey they represent. The chancel and sanctuary are equally impressive. Here, the intricately carved choir stalls and the ornate altar stand as a testament to the artistry of craftsmen from the generations past. The altar, central to the church's worship, is adorned with symbols and motifs that underscore the spiritual significance of this sacred space. It is a place where countless prayers have been offered, a reminder of the church's enduring role in its spiritual lives of the community. Another notable feature is the church's impressive collection of monuments and memorials. These stone effigies and plaques commemorate local families and notable figures. The inscriptions, often poetic and heartfelt, are a poignant reminder of the passage of time and the enduring nature of faith. Some of these memorials date back to the medieval period, their craftsmanship revealing the artistic sensibility of the area. Visitors leave with a sense of awe and a deeper appreciation for the legacy preserved within these walls. As we conclude our exploration of St. Peter and St. Paul's Church, we are reminded of the profound connection between history, architecture, and spirituality. This remarkable building, with its rich past and vibrant present, invites all who visit to pause, reflect, and appreciate the enduring legacy of those who became before us. It stands as a symbol of faith, resilience, and an unbreakable bonds of community. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of Herefordshire's most beloved churches. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more explorations of historic landmarks and hidden gems. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, may this church continue to inspire and uplift all who walk through its doors.